how to change your region in Facebook. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can change the region in your Facebook account so that you get the particular time formats of that particular region. So changing a region in Facebook is quite simple. All you'll need to do is simply follow these easy steps. First of all, launch your Facebook application by tapping onto the Facebook icon. Now once you're inside Facebook, click onto these three horizontal lines present at the top right corner of the screen. Now once you are in the menu, you will need to click onto this settings gear icon at the top, and within the settings and privacy you can scroll down and you will see language and region that you need to click. Now from here you will see region format. You can click onto this choose option and just wait for all the countries to load, and here is all of the regions. So from here you can choose any of the regions that you want. So for example, I'll be choosing India English and then clicking onto the save option, and now you can see that the region has been successfully saved. So that's how easily you can choose or change the region format of your Facebook account. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.